I want to go on for sir. I want to see me in a class yet. I want to go on. I want to go on.
Keeping everyone.
Oh, sir, I want to go on me teach.
Good
Did you for
evening,
long?
sir.
Yeah, man. How you do?
Yeah, man. I wonder how we not hear from you.
Yeah, man. I had a 57 and I sent a message in the chat, you know. It was a workout class. So beat up.
Why you just a go hard for the look do here, man? Yo!
I wish. Then I wouldn't be teaching because I'd have it.
You're just humble, I just that, man. You have it.
All right, guys. I really hope that you had a class before this one.
Yeah, man. Some of us.
Oh yes, that's Miss Butler's class, no? You
Yeah,
did say that. Right.
yeah.
All right. I really hope that you guys are ready to go. We have quite a bit to get done. And I'm ready. All right. Where were we the last class?
Number 10. Logarithm.
Say it again, Phil?
Number 10. In
Sorry, you gave us some equations to work out.
the log equation.
Oh, I did. Hold on there. That's the thing because I don't. Oh, nice. That's where we were. So let me just share this here. That's what that is.
Sir,
That's where we were, right?
Yes, sir.
So we have 10, 11, and 12 to do. All right, so you know, oh. Do I have any more page on this one now? I have to go crop it. And I do have 10. So I'm gonna see if I can do 10 in this corner. 12 down here, so, and 11 over here. So that's one, all right? Is it okay for you?
Sir. So I think 11 can do on a page.
Why? You think 11 longer than that?
Yes, sir. I have to explain something too.
Anyways, you talk to me tonight?
I'm gonna talk to you every night. What do you
No.
mean?
Last
I
class we
talk to you.
Yes,
Kelly, you
Talk
never,
to you.
Kelly,
Talk
you
to you
never
every
talk to me last class.
the person
Last class, let me tell you, some chicken I got spoiled. Come on.
The last class is a sure I can't talk. Okay. All right. Anyway,
Hello,
it's
sir.
just
Good night.
good night to you.
Did you set up EducaSoft yet?
I have not.
Okay.
Some
Okay.
technical difficulties, but I will definitely get through to you guys. I'll let you know.
Okay.
And
Back to EducaSoft again?
yes, Miss Winnie. You know better than that, Miss Winnie.
Sir. So you mean like before?
No, man, it will be set up soon. Just a little technical difficulty to experience it, but it will be set up pretty soon.
No, I mean if we're going to do the same setup, similar to what we had before.
Something similar, I guess, yeah.
Oh Lord. Okay.
But I can tell you though, it is not going to be as many pieces as for the FCMC. It's going to be a little bit less. So you should be fine. Don't worry about it. You'll be fine. I promise you.
Okay, sir. We know you know, sir. All right.
Man, see, you can pick out the road now, don't?
Yes, sir.
Oh man, it is not 26. For me, sir, go back ice cream. All right. Caroline, I don't understand how you just keep a low profile. You know, talk to me.
Sorry,
Some
sir, I
thing-
had an emergency last week. I said I couldn't come class. My daughter wasn't well. Sorry.
I mean, I not telling you. I don't understand what
Sorry,
keep
sir.
All right, that's forgive you.
It was sudden, sir, so I had to rush.
All right, no problem.
Sorry.
Easy. And let's see now. Let's just. Alicia Wilkie. Is this your first class, Alicia? I can't recall seeing that name.
No, sir.
Check here.
Sir, not hearing a word you're saying.
No, man, I'm just checking my list. I'm not speaking really. I'm just checking my class list. I'm just scrolling through, glancing through to make sure that where it's supposed to be. All right, so we are about now to do question 10, 11, and 12. And following question 10, 11, 12, it's time for me to move on to, let's check something. I'll see another area of study. But let me just check my schedule, see exactly. This what? Oh, so I just need to. All right, so what I need to do, guys, is to move into some equations. So I have the equations. So I have the equations to do with you. So equations will end. The equations will end this section. All right. So I just have one more area, and we're going to start it tonight. And let me just. And then I'm going to start to introduce with the unit 3 tonight. So let me maybe we can't. Anyway,
Sir,
yes, please.
did you post this in the group? As in this page, this page that you're doing with the work, you know?
You guys need to answer me that. Was it posted, guys? Yes.
Not the question sheet, you know, this one that you're doing, sir, with you're working on it.
Yes, it was posted.
Don't see it in the group.
Can you repost it in the group for me, please, guys? Remember, I'm not in the group.
I'm only seeing the worksheets.
No problem. But all right, so just it was I'm almost sure it was sent. It was sent. What you could do, Diana, is just wait until I finish these other 3 questions, and then I'm gonna resend it again so you can have everything. But I mean, it was sent.
Sir, it wasn't sent. All the worksheets
was
have
not.
been missing. It wasn't sent.
This one wasn't sent.
I haven't seen any
Up to
worksheet.
9. It's sent up to 9. The workout is on it. You guys just need to scroll down.
You did a man it you send, man. I wanna see it.
I'm not seeing it. I'm still not seeing it. And I will scroll all the way back to the top. I'm seeing the question paper
Open the
posted many
question
times, but
paper.
not with the work, you know.
Open the
Not
question
to
paper
this,
and
not to
scroll
number
down.
9.
Oh yeah, it's there.
Then I open the question paper that is it and scroll, go straight down and you see it.
All I'm seeing here from my end It's
Look
just
at the one before the one that you're looking at.
it's the same thing. I'm seeing posted repeatedly, you know.
Then I the one that you see.
All right, just share again. When sir finish these three, and they can share it again because I'm not seeing that one.
Then I
Alright,
take
no
a
problem.
screenshot for now.
All right, no problem. So thanks for those who are for those of you who are seeing this stuff. Remember, you know, I am going to. All right, let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Where are we? We did up to number 9. We are at
So
number
of
10
number
now.
10.
We're at number 10 now. All right. So let me go through. I'm gonna see if I can use different colors so we can see what is happening. I'm putting number 10 in this corner over here. Are you seeing my screen, by the way?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So you guys did it or you want me to do it? Anybody did number 10?
Sir, me trying.
Hey, Kevin and Romain. You attempted it? Dan, okay, very good, Dahlia. Dana, did you attempt number 10?
Sir, I attempted all of them, but sorry to say, your working out is different.
From?
Everything that I attempted.
You did not know taste
Sir,
nice
me
tonight.
try number 10 too.
Very nice, Felt. Dana, you did not know taste nice tonight.
I know, right? Why not say some more spice? We need to change from Maggi and try some new seasonings.
Same way, so. All right, let's go. Let's go. I'm going to write the question. It says log x plus 1 minus log x squared minus 1. When we subtract logs, what we do?
You divide.
We divide. Very nice. We divide x squared. So therefore, we're going to have log x plus 1 divided by x squared minus 1. All agreed?
Yes.
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Okay. That's it? Ends right there?
No.
Why
No.
not? Why not?
No.
Tell me.
Because
No,
it can
talk to
be
me.
Because
broken,
look,
it can be
look,
reduced, it can be simplified.
because there's the
Oh.
x square.
How?
The square can break down into x's alone.
Like
I
what?
don't know. Like x plus 1, and then you have x minus 1.
Okay, and we call that no that Phil.
I don't know.
Listen to me now, lady.
Inverse.
Yes.
Tell you the truth, me don't know.
Tell her,
Reciprocate.
Winnie. No man,
Reciprocation.
it has a special name, man. Sure, it have a special name.
Evaluate.
No.
Transpose.
No.
Where it start with?
Me not tell you.
Yeah. Give me one hint, let me tell you.
Evaluate.
Start with D.
Eh?
Start with D.
It starts with what?
D.
D as in dumpling.
D.
Hmm?
I don't know. Divi what?
Divide too easy.
No man. I something about
Sorry,
denominator.
Or denominator?
It can be reduced. I don't know the D word, but I know that if you have x
So what
squared
should we find?
minus 1, it can be reduced to a simpler form, which is just x.
A duplicate, sir?
And the way it called,
Funny
but then
enough,
it
say
can be
duplicate.
worked out further.
It's not a one-word answer, and it's several words in it.
Sir.
Hmm.
Sir, we're brain tired, you know.
So what should
So
we
it's
find?
I want there's a nice little story with the x squared minus 1. Tell me the story about it.
Ah, Jesus. All our dinner spoiled tonight.
Sir, is it dividend?
No, sir, that's a money.
Where you gonna accounts?
Sir, no one yet. Well, but it's not a well.
Sir, X
So you know
squared
you can change it to a
can be
positive.
reduced to X. And
All
then
right,
you're going to
So Fel gave me the correct answer now, but it has a special name, and I want to hear the special name.
Not that.
What was the answer, Felicia?
Una eat chicken and no such
Yeah.
chicken na eat. Una eat chicken and eat for
Yeah,
beef.
You know, when you have the equation and you have to multiply the variables by them, one another forget.
Find the
There's something there, there's
denominator.
something about denominator, but I don't know. X minus 1 times X plus 1. There's something. Sir,
Yes, please. I'm waiting for
the
the answer.
chef.
I'll wait.
Bunanunus, just tell us the thing, no man.
No, matter of fact, you know what I need to do? I shall call upon you guys to tell me what is happening. Shannon, duplicate.
Sir, she said duplicate.
Shannon, duplicate? We're not going to flip nothing, Shannon. We're not flipping nothing. Come, tell me. It has 4 words to it.
Let me see now. Boom, bang, bang.
Sir, you know,
So you're gonna
sir,
take the first part out of bracket, sir. Because the X plus 1 up at the top, there's need to come out that bracket.
No, but guess what? No, that's not where I'm at in the Dahlia. I want Felicia.
A denominator.
No, I want to take the Chinese food and slap you with it.
A dividend you talk, sir?
Somebody said that already.
Is
Cannot account.
is accounts class in our maths
get
class?
it just
Sir, you know the game where them try put find the letters of like a little word. Maybe we can do that. Give us some hints.
Sudoku?
All right, so it has D O T S dots.
Sir, bomb dust.
Let me say DOTS. Or you get bomb dust out of it. Eh? Die. Or you get
boom.
Jesus.
So relax, relax.
DOTS.
Dot.
Divide or division of
So decimal?
Cockroach.
Transpose and then subtract.
Ryan, come help us out, Ryan, please.
Ryan asleep. You might try and get.
I'm here, man. I'm here.
Sir,
Sir, how
the
much words it
Is
have?
the first word difference?
I can't tell you. You need to tell me everything.
demonstration?
Difference of two squares.
I was just
Thank you very much, Ryan. Only your dinner alone in case nice tonight.
Right. Difference of 2 square. What a thing. You write it down. Go, Ryan.
And I said the one Ryan selfish, you see him sit up and answer on there now and hear everybody are struggling now.
No answer.
Oh, you see, Sir Ryan?
Then, sir, look how
Me
you're
never
good.
sure.
How
Me
did
never
you
so
know
sure. Me
that?
not like shame myself.
You know, shame yourself. No,
And we there shame ourselves.
But Phil, me now go give you the question and I answer the question. Me could have laid in my bed and do that. So that's why me not
You
go tell you.
even say square. Maybe somebody
No.
that catch you.
No, dots.
You said
DOTS. So it is a difference of 2
sir.
squares. So your answer tells was correct. And it is called the difference of 2 squares. Now you can't forget that.
No, sir.
Difference of 2 squares.
So why that sound like I first me I hear it?
At first, me I hear it. Sir, at first, me I hear it.
Girl, I think you confuse the class them when you teach, you know. You
No,
think
but
you tell us, sir. At the first day I hear this tonight.
All right then. So me ask a question.
Recall.
Did you do foundation 1, 2, 3?
No, I didn't.
Or you didn't?
No,
No.
sir.
All right.
I
So that means it's not me supposed to blame. You're supposed to blame your CXC teacher because you're supposed to teach that from long time.
You say, sorry, I talk about some decades.
disappear.
Diana,
Sir,
Diana, go on later and
remember saying that everybody in your class just left high school, you know?
Diana, go and go sleep. Yeah, man. But is it so you hear about perfect experience already, right, Diana?
Yes, sir.
Sir, I
Good.
passed maths and I'm grateful.
Yeah, man, no
But
problem.
sir, don't ask more than them something there right now. This is a refresher for me.
All right, then, no problem. All right, so
So we're going to do the difference of two squares.
the difference of two squares, right? So the difference of two squares. So Pell got it right, you know. So the difference of two squares now is going to be, let me show you what it looks like. So it's going to be, so DOTS, sorry, let me spell that out. DIFFERENC, difference of two squares. So I'm going to have x squared minus 1 is equal to x plus 1 times x minus 1. X plus 1 times x minus 1.
Sir, it matter which how you put them?
No, it can be x minus 1 and x plus 1. It really doesn't matter.
Okay.
All right. So now what I'm going to do is to rewrite to have it as log x plus 1. And this is going to be now over x plus 1 times x minus 1. And what you find happening here is that the x plus 1's cancel. So what you end up with now is just log
x minus 1.
1 over x minus 1.
Sir,
So
what is the law? What is the law right here, sir?
Which law?
That you
You
use
flip
to
it.
do this question.
And it
No,
becomes
man,
a positive.
the law ended. Let me just put a different color. The law ended right here. The law ended right here.
The dot? The,
No, man, right there I put
sir.
law. When you subtract, you divide. That's where the law ends.
Okay.
And then, so it's just one law that I use for this question. So the law ends right there. And then now what I do is I'm just using algebra now to finish off the stuff. Because when I do the difference of two squares, I find the algebra.
Turns into an equation also?
It's really an expression still. But what I do is to simplify the expression so I can cancel some stuff out.
Okay.
And what I'm canceling out really is just the x plus 1. So I'm now reducing my function. So I wouldn't leave the answer as where I have law x plus 1 over x squared minus 1 because that can be reduced, right? And you do get marks for the reduction of the question. So I must recognize that it is the difference of two squares. And then when I get the difference of two squares, I cancel the x plus 1 because it is common. So I'm going to be left with 1 over x minus 1. And that, no, if you ask me, I can do something else with that one. Now that I look at it. This one, let me see if I can go up on a page. Oh, yeah.
Sir?
Yes, please.
1 over x minus 1, that remains a minus?
Yeah.
So
Because I know
a positive one.
No, it's a cancel the positive one.
Them already.
Yeah, I understand that, but I thought you flipped this one, the
No, man, I
negative
don't.
one.
No, man, look at what I'm going to do now. I don't need to call this split, but look at what I'm going to do now. I can rewrite this as log x minus 1 to the negative a half. Oh, sorry, to the negative 1. You can see why I put that there? So I don't know, Diana, if that's the flip you're talking about. Somebody said something earlier in the chat about reciprocate. Remember, I gave you a law Remember I gave you a law. Remember I gave you a law. Recall. Remember I gave you a law to say 1 over a to the m is equal to a to the negative m?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, man. So that's a law that I'm using now just to simplify this thing, make it look like a little nice-ish.
Yes, sir. You have a negative, and that's what I'm saying. When you flip it and you put the 1 over it, does not the 1 becomes a positive?
Which one? The one in the middle? Between the x and the 1?
Yes, sir.
No.
When you put that answer log 1 over x, is it not supposed to be a positive one or not a negative? It remains a negative one still, even though
yeah, man, it remains a negative one.
okay. Different law because it's logarithm.
Right. So it remains remember, it's not, just I put it in parentheses because that x, is it the x and the 1? They're married. Can't separate. So you can't separate the x from the 1. So that sign that is between them, the negative sign between the x and the 1, x minus 1, is not 2 terms, it's 1 dege term.
I keep saying there's a lot to take in because indices, when you're doing indices, this recall that you put down here, this is for indices, but logarithm come with the same thing, but it's a different thing applied. Mercy.
Work with me. No, work with me, Dan. Work with me. You see, I have the x plus 1 times the x minus 1. How many terms? How many terms do I have there?
Sir, I can't see because there's something there in front of me.
All right. Sorry. Let me just put back my spotlight here. How many terms do I have here, Sedina? The x plus 1 and the x minus 2 terms. Very good.
Right.
2. So if I cancel out one of them, how much term left?
1, sir.
Right. So 1 negative term. So I can't do nothing to the 1 and not do nothing to the x because it's 1 term I have. So I can't take piece of something and not do the other piece to it. You follow what I'm saying? So when you see that I have the x
how
plus,
you get the 1 up at the top of this so when you cancel it out?
because I have
you just
1.
have the x.
Because I have 1
element
over x minus 1. I'm coming to you, Tiana. You see, I have, look here, Dahlia. I have 1 over a to the m. I can reciprocate that and put a to the negative m. So this 1 here is what it is that is going to cause it to reciprocate. If I had it as just log x minus 1, there is nothing I could do with it. But what I want you to recognize.
Okay, I understand.
Yeah, man, good. But going back to you now, Diana, what I want you to recognize is that x minus 1 is 1 single term. The x minus 1 is 1 single term.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, man. But I love the question because it tells me that you're thinking. And what I don't want you to do.
What was the question? Me to get bumped out.
Oh, she was asking if the x minus 1, if it wouldn't change to x plus 1. And I'm saying to her, no, it still remains as x minus 1. So I was saying to her, I like the questions. And I'm just encouraging the rest of you in the class to go ahead and ask me your questions so that I can correct any possible misconceptions. Let me just tell you why. If Daniel had kept that x minus 1, said, oh, sir said I go flip and change to x plus 1, and she never said nothing. She go hold on upon that and go in at the exam, go flip it. And then you have to go flip a wrong bank here.
Sir, so you use the indices law to work this part of the question?
Yeah, man, remember what I tell you about indices and logarithms?
They're intertwined.
You're married.
They're married. Yeah.
One is the opposite of the other. All right, so you can't separate.
Sir, why you couldn't say log 1 over x minus 1?
Why couldn't say log over 1 over x minus 1?
Yeah, the same way how that do, but using the word log.
All right. Remember when we looked at the laws? Let me see if the laws are here. Remember when we look at the laws, the law says log to the base A of B minus log to the base A of C is going to be equal to log to the base A of B over C. You notice I never have log to the base A up here so over something else. It is log to the base A of B over C. So log to the base A of B minus log to the base A of C. The law says it becomes log to the base A B over C. Two different things. Log to the base A B over C. Very different from question number 9. So question number 9 has log 9 divided by log 3. Yeah. Two different things. Two different things. So the more you do, is the better you see what is happening. Let me pause right here and ask, how many of you have past papers?
I do, sir.
The man. If possible, I'm going to ask you to share it in your group so that the others can see. Because there are times I'm going to come to class and say, guys, I want you to post one of those questions or share your screen. We're going to be working the questions. At this stage of the game, we are supposed to be working our past papers. So we can see how they pitch the exam questions and we can get more practice in effect. All right? Okay. There's one other step. Oh, sorry. TT, go ahead, please.
Sir, I don't think I understand the cancellation part. Question, is that an n minus 1 at the end?
Can somebody tell TT what is there, please?
Where?
Right here. So what is this?
X. X minus 1.
So TT, my exes were born in America.
So,
give my crumb.
sir, but how we get that?
Because we did the dot.
Difference of two squares. X squared minus 1 is the same thing as x plus 1 times x minus 1.
Sir, so we just put it there twice?
One is x plus 1 and one is x minus 1. All right,
So what you're seeing at that portion there, Tiana, is what was found after you did the difference of two squares. And the difference of two squares was found from the x squared minus 1. So remember the initial problem says that it's log x plus 1 over x squared minus 1. Where the difference of two squares came in was where the x squared minus 1 is. So you kept the x plus 1 at the top, and you found the difference of squares for the x squared minus 1, and that gave you x plus 1, x minus 1. And then you fitted that into the equation. So you went back and you have your log x plus 1 at the top divided by the difference in two squares, which is now x plus 1, x minus 1. And then, of course, the x plus 1 at the top cancels out the x plus 1 at the bottom, which gave you log 1 over x minus 1. And sir further broke it down to convert it to remember the rule, the 1 over a squared equal a raised to the negatives. Let me say 1 over a, yeah, 1 over a to the n equals a raised to the negative m. Then that is where sir further converted at the bottom.
I got it. Thank you so much.
No problem. You see, if you can lower your hand, TT, very nice. Very, very nice. Now, I'm going to make a statement. The statement is not for anybody in the class. I don't want anybody to personalize it. I'm making a statement just to bring across a point to you. And I said earlier that I got a good workout in the class before. Let me just explain where I'm coming from. Diana said it earlier. Sir, not because we're in the class, you know. Some of we left school long time. This is a refresher for we. We do maths long time. That's why the prerequisite for this course is Foundation 1, 2, 3 or CXC Mathematics. Because there are some things that we did long time ago that sir will dig up. One of those things is simultaneous equations. So those of you who thought that you had buried simultaneous equations and sing lullaby to simultaneous equations, I am sorry. It is going to come back to haunt you.
Right. No.
Matrices. You thought that you left that in the abyss? Oh no. It's going to come back. Equation of a straight line and coordinate geometry. They are coming back. Plotting of graphs. It did it too. So I'm saying to you, that's the reason the course has a prerequisite. So it's not a matter, I'm not worried about you doing the thing long time. Pass it and then just coming back now to start. Not a problem. Because as we go along, as Diana says, sir, it's a refresher, this, you know. Yeah. But if you don't pass it, I don't know what to do. It's going to be rough on you. So I say this to say to you guys, we have to do lots of revision. We have to do lots of revision. Why I'm so beat out from the previous class, I give them homework and everybody come and say, sir, you never given any homework. Sir, no, even remember when Diana said, sir, I'm not seeing the question. And I stopped talking because I really wanted the rest of you to come up and say, no, sir, or no, Diana, we see this stuff or whatever it is. Point I'm making is, them say, sir, you never give no homework. And then I said,
the
okay.
questions I wasn't seeing, no, sir, is you're working out.
He's working out, yeah, man. Come on, I get you, man, I get you. And then one student said, it's true, sir. See the question here? It's at the bottom of the handout. And then everybody said, oh, yes, sir, we see it. No, you know what that tell me? They never go through the handout at all. And I'm saying this to say to you, students, please, pre-calculus is not difficult to pass. And remember, you know, you don't pass a pre-calculus now, you can't move on to business calculus or business statistics next semester. Don't put yourself under pressure. Get through the pre-calculus. It's not difficult. Let's go. I'm going to do this one more step. You know why I'm going to do this one more step? Because I hear the very nice questions coming across, and I want you to see what is happening. So watch this other step. -1 log of x minus 1. Everybody agree with that? And I'm going to call this my answer. Can anybody tell me what I did right there?
Sir, you take the -1. I don't remember what it means.
Sir, you put it back into logarithmic.
Rhythmic.
Very good. Very good. Logarithmic. Very good. So remember, recall. N log to the base A of B is equals to log to the base A of B to the N. Remember that?
Yes,
sir.
Good. So I'm saying this to say to you again that when we get to our logarithm questions, don't think it's just logarithms alone you're working. You have to go carry to indices and then go back to logarithms. Don't you see that we move from indices to logarithms and back and vice versa in this question?
Yes, sir.
So, sir, if I had stopped at the log 1 over x minus 1, did I get it wrong?
If the question says to simplify, you wouldn't get it wrong, but you wouldn't get the full marks. Because clearly, it clearly see that I was able to go down even further.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. All right, let's go. number 11. I'm going to do number 11. Over this side.
Yeah.
Because it's longer than number 12. Two log to the base A of 5 plus log to the base A of 4 minus 2 log to the base A of 10. All with me?
Yes, sir.
All right. I'm starting where I ended the last question. Recall, n log to the base A of B is the same thing as log to the base A of B to the n. Can you see that?
Yes, sir.
So therefore, if I write log to the base A of 5 squares, you understand that?
Yes, sir.
Plus log to the base A of 4 minus log to the base A of 10 squares. Everybody see that?
Yes, sir.
All right. Tevin, are you seeing that?
Yes, sir, here.
Good,
I'm here.
good, good. No, man, I don't want to be there alone, and I want to see it.
Yes, sir.
All right, big up yourself. What about the V's in the class? There are two of them. Vanessa and Denise.
Sir,
Mm-hmm.
I don't really understand the one here, so I have to just watch over the recording when I get some time.
Hello? And you have me right here, so you go wait until the class done to go watch the recording? We not understanding, Miss Lawrence. That not make no sense, man. You have me right here, so no, live in living color. You go wait until the class done. That means you're gonna lost for everything else not going in the class. No, man, talk to me. What it is that you're not
Sir,
seeing?
the recall, you can go over there so one more time, please.
Wait, that means you never understand a piece over yesterday because of the same recall. N log to the base A of B is equal to log to the base A of B raised to the nth power. N log to the base A of B is equal to log to the base A of B to the n. That's one of the laws of logarithm. The other laws of logarithm says log to the base A of B plus log to the base A of C equal log to the base A of B multiplied by C. Because when I add my logarithms, I multiply. The other one says log to the base A of B minus log to the base A of C is going to be equals to log to the base A of B over C. Because when I subtract my logs, I divide. And the third law says log to the base A of B raised to a power is exactly the same thing as if I were to take that power and make it now a coefficient of the logarithm. So log to the base A of B is going to be to the n is going to be equal to n log to the base A of B. Any clearer now, Miss Lawrence?
Sir.
Go ahead, please.
Do you hear me, sir?
Loud and clear.
Sir, I never understand the part of what you just said a while ago, except for the fact that the two at the front, they're n, right? So those are
Very
the ones
good.
that bit that became the powers.
Very good.
Okay, sir. Thank you. I just wanted to make that clear.
Yeah. Everybody heard what Gillian just asked a while ago?
Yes,
Not
sir.
sure, not clear, sir. Ask again. What was the question?
What Gillian says, watch this. What Gillian says, sir, just checking. This 2 in front of log to the base A of 5, that's the n, that becomes a power, and the answer is yes.
Yes.
Can you see that? All right. Guys, you must work with me, you know. You can't come to class and sit down and say, you go home, go to the work, you have nobody in your yard to help you, no. Some of you in your families are the first to go tertiary. You have me in class, talk to me. Let me simplify this. Log to the base A of 5 squares. What is 5 squares?
25.
100. 25. Sorry, I'm not reach to say it.
Felicia, go and eat your chicken.
Wait, oh.
Plus log to the base A of 4. What is log to the base? What is 10 squares?
100.
100. When I'm adding logs, what do I do?
Multiply.
Very good. So recall. Come, Lawrence, again. Recall. Log to the base A of B plus log to the base A of C is equal to log to the base A of B times C. So therefore, what is going to happen now is that we have a log to the base A of 25 times 4. What is 25 times 4?
100.
100. And that is going to be equals to log to the base A of 100. So I'm going to rewrite. So can I now write log to the base A of 100 minus log to the base A of 100? Everybody can see that?
Yes, sir.
All right. Let me just show you something for those of you who not seen it and who don't want to talk to me. So this piece is what we did right here. So to give us this. And then I write it back right here. So you see all of them something underlined in brown. All of those are related. Let's continue. So now, what's the answer for this? Log to the base A of 100 minus log to the base A of 100. Wait in the answers.
1. Log to the base A, 1 over 1 or 1.
0.
Somebody says 0, somebody says 1. Which is it?
0.
1, must say.
1.
Who said 1?
1.
Diana. Powell.
Powell said 1. Pel, where you say 0?
0.
Okay. Anybody else?
0.
Everything raised to 0
Diana.
1, sir. I said 1.
Okay.
Diana,
Waiting for others.
What should they? I'm not hear Diana talk.
They're right here, some man.
So 1.
Oh.
No man, Diana talk, man. No,
Diana, me mean. Diana.
Oh.
Dahlia.
Dahlia.
For sure, Diana go talk.
No, because I work it out in my mind. All right, so sir, same one or log to the base
Yeah,
A
it
100
have to
minus
be
log to the base
0
A 100. No, when you
I
minus,
use
remember, so in a logarithm, when you minus, you divide.
Me just
I
realize
know.
that they divide that at one time.
A 1,
Me
you're gonna
know.
get it. So a 1, you're gonna get a can subtraction. Remember, so 1, that's
No, I don't subtract it, I divide it, but I use the recall, the and base raised to the power of 1 equals 0. If you look, you're gonna you're gonna put the 1 in front the log.
Go again, base raised to the power of 1 is 0.
All right, press pause, press pause. So I hear what you're saying, Dahlia, and I hear what Phil's saying, and both of you, and Diana also, and the rest of you, have a little piece of everything that you want. So I don't want anybody to think that they are wrong. So let me just work it and then you can see where it is that we're going. But very good though. I'm really very proud of you. I feel like a teaching. Watch me now. So this one is going to be, when you subtract, I need to put a recall on. What's a recall that I'm supposed to put right here?
The division log, using the division
A
log.
over 0 equal 1.
Minus log to the A.
To the A over C. C
equals log to the A
or log
B
to the A.
over C.
All right.
Yeah.
So I teach using my recall because I want you to be able to see the laws every time I'm using them. You are able to put them to long-term memory. All right. So let's go. Let's go now. So I'm going to go back to this. So clearly this is going to be log to the base A of 100 over 100, don't it?
Over 100.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Which is the same thing as log to the base A of 1.
That's
Yes,
what I
sir.
said, sir.
That's what you said. Felicia, what you said too?
Sir, I have that, but I put equals 0 because I use the indices law. A base
And what's the
raised to the
indices law?
power.
But
Base raised to
you're
the power
dividing.
equals 0.
Yeah, man. But yeah, hold on. So so what was that, Phil? You use the indices law to say what?
The base raised to 1. A base raised to 1 equals 0.
It remains the same.
So you say,
When it's
so you're
raised to the
saying that,
power of 0, you have it backwards. When it is raised to the power of 0, is 1. Anything raised to the power of 1 remains the same.
so, but hear what you're saying, no, Diana. What Felicia is saying is A raised to the power 0 is equals to 1. That's what she's saying, you know. So let me just show you something that what she's talking about. And that's why I stopped you all. So if I say to you, log to the base A of 1 is equal to x, and I'm trying to find the value of x. How do I convert that from the logarithmic form to the index form? Tell me what you write.
X
Yeah.
equal.
Huh?
Wait.
My game.
Log to the base A of 1 equals x. Convert that from the logarithmic form to the index form for me.
Is it gonna be x log?
Come on, come on, come on.
So, Ulana, so we are going our thinking box.
Oh, yeah.
No, sir, you're supposed to have this part. And except it, move on to, you know. Come, quick and fast.
Sir, you're going to have
The log
A to the X
Equal.
Good job. A to the x
equal 1.
equal 1. What's the value of A?
10.
Therefore, x equal what?
Huh?
When I raise a base to a power, 0. Very good. So what I'm saying to you, Diana, is that you were correct up to a point, the point where you had log to the base A of 1. And there were others of you in the class, Dahlia was one of them too, who agreed that the answer is supposed to be 1, log to the base A of 1. But Phil decided, say, yo, me gonna go a step further, you know, because I can solve log to the base A of 1, because anything raised to the power 0 is 1. So that answer is
Oh,
going
so
to
she
be
broke it down further.
further.
She simplified it further.
Right. So I'm saying, that's what I'm saying to you, that that's why that stops you, because that's why I stopped you, because I'm saying that all of you were saying the same thing. It's just that, you know, you stop one, and I mean, you never let me off at the gate. You let me off at the corner, I'm there for walk out the yard. And night the bell comes, so you know, say anything could have happened. Or you let me off at the gate and then you drive off, you never see me walk going in the house. Right? So that is it. But that's a good outing though.
So,
All right,
sir, we stop the 1. We stop at it. The 1, the log to the base A1.
No. We stop at 0.
So, well,
You can get this document, you know, so you have to spend time with that.
Wait,
Let's
sir.
go.
Nice. When you
So,
write
sir,
Sir, may remember
that's
it
the
when you
answer
write.
then, sir.
No problem. Go ahead and write it.
Sir, that's the final answer, right?
Yes,
X equals 0.
Yes, my dearest. X equals 0 or the final one. All right, now I need to find another color so that I can use to do the last question. All right, so let me just say this now. There are some of you in the class. I'm proud of you one more time. Trust me. You participate. If you answer wrong, you are still talking to teacher. And what I like about it is that you are mature enough to accept the correction. A while ago, we were having an exchange. No, this is this. No, that is that. I said, hold up. Because I'm saying to myself, but the whole time I said the same something. That's very nice. And I commend you. Allow me to say to you, no, you are right, or no, you are wrong. That's my responsibility. This is where I have a challenge. There are some of you in the class that are just sitting down and not contributing to one conversation. You're not saying a thing. Sir, just teach and leave them alone. No, I can't. I can't just teach and just leave those.
Sound like we query this say.
Right? You notice him selling? Like
Gone by chicken, sir.
I met the food cycle look a bit, sir. I don't know that.
Let's say, but so big, you must go exercise and finish eat. But no, seriously, though, guys. Seriously. Yes, please.
I have a question.
Go ahead.
Because one place me did go wrong, right? Up at the top, where you have log to the base A of 4.
Yeah,
because it says you mentioned something about 10. So I had used 10. Log to the base A of 10.
No, hold up. Somebody can tell Shannon for me, please.
Yeah, Jesus.
Where did 10 come in again? Somebody explain to her. Where did 10 come in?
There's no
When they don't have a
base,
base?
you put
When
a
you're
10.
not seeing a base, you assume base.
Yeah. Sure.
Are
But
you
that's the
are you
only
seeing a
thing.
base here, Shannon?
Go again. If me see a base?
When you're not seeing a base, you assume base?
10.
10. But are you seeing a base in this question? What's the base in this question?
The A? Yeah.
Very good.
Really?
So
I think it has to be a number. I'm so sorry. I thought it had to be a number.
It can also be a variable, remember.
It can be a variable too, man.
Okay.
So when you say log to the base A of 5, 2 log to the base A of 5, plus log to the base A of 4, minus 2 log to the base A of 10. You know the base is A.
Oh.
The base is A. It's all about the base.
Okay. So sorry, that's a wrong, sir.
And
I
that's
thought
fine.
it had to be a number. So I am guess 10.
And guess what, Shannon? If you never say anything, you'd have continue moving the variables them down there, so and put 10. This is exactly what I'm talking about.
True, sir. Committee think it could have only been number 2.
Same thing, no, Gillian.
Could have been numbers that they use a 10.
Shannon, you open up a can of worm because Gillian come on and say, true, sir, because neither thinks I want number 2. It supports my point, students, that you must speak in class. And there are some of you in the class that are too silent. Anyhow, let's go. Anybody did this question?
Yes,
what you got for the answer?
3.
Anybody else got? Anybody
3,
else?
sir. 3, sir.
Good job.
3, sir.
All right, very nice. So what we're doing right here is to say log 5 to the 3rd power. And let me just put a little recall here.
Sir, we're not seeing the screen you're on, you know.
You're not seeing it?
Right there, so
Yeah.
okay.
Recall 125 is equal to 5 cubed. No, sorry. Let me put a different color there because I don't want to think that green is the same green as the one over there. So recall 125 is equal to 5 to the 3rd power. All right. So now log 5 to the 3rd power over log 5. And then sir going to recall again. N log to the base a of b is equals to log to the base a of b to the n. So what is happening now is that sir going to have 3 log 5 over log 5. And what happened is the log 5's cancel, and then you're left with only 3 as your answer.
Sir,
Go ahead.
I feel like me I learn. But me remember me
say.
ask you this question and you tell me opposites, but me remember answer stay still.
I told you opposite, what I told you.
So the first one we did, you never really work it out so far.
So far, but me did get it still.
Yeah.
That's a number 9, because we
Number
work
9.
it like this one, yeah.
Yeah.
We did work out. I wonder, sir, me did think I did that, you know, first, you know.
No, so what was the answer for number 9?
Sir, the first and say in attack. You see your face?
Oh, no,
I think 9 was 2.
Yeah. 9 is 2.
Yeah, but
Sir,
oh,
you can go back over the working for me, please.
No, I won't. What I'll do is look at 9 again.
Sir,
Look at
scroll back
question.
down, please.
One minute. 1 minute, please.
Gary, shut up.
Yes, yeah.
All right. So this thing is not. Oh man. Hold on, guys. Let me just save the document.
Sir, take
And
off
then-
the rubber. Maybe that's why it now.
No, it's I want to erase it as
What, sir, repair handwriting there, sir. Look at it. Just fix it up, look at it. Then
all
look
right.
up to writing there, yeah, come.
Let me block. I draw him draw, you know.
Got it over handwriting.
And then come top of my crop toe writing. What is father?
You log
All right.
like Loy, sir. L-O-Y.
I don't understand.
Sir, you save it already, so you can't rub it out again.
No man, it can't rub out, man. It's supposed to be able to. Sorry, let me stop straight, because if this thing say it will come to me, you don't know who will be. All right. Laws of logarithms. All right. Oh, I know why, I know why. It's all right. I know why. Ooh. How do I do this now?
Sir, just you one next question.
No man, I'm moving on to the next topic now.
Just one question, sir. One question, not kill the pot.
No man, that's what I want to do. I want to do this one. Let me share my screen. So this one here is log 3 squared over log 3, which is the same thing as 2 log 3 over log 3. And the log 3's cancel, and your answer is 2. Can you see that? Talk to me now.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
All right.
Sir, can you scroll down real quick?
Sorry, you know, you did work out that already.
I know I did. I know I did.
See here, sir.
No man, I know I did, but somebody
Touch
said to
my
me that
phone like somebody can.
But
somebody
thank
said
you
to me,
again, sir. Thank you for doing it again, because
no problem, no problem.
you were doing more explanation last week. So
Right.
maybe some persons kind of miss how simple it was.
Yeah, but somebody said a while ago that, so you know, you never did work it out, but I know I did, so I say, you know what, let me
Yeah.
just work. All right. I must move into some. Go ahead. Who's that?
I can just go back up a little bit so I didn't and so I can get yeah. Thank you. I just wanted to get 9. No man, 9 I was not that class. Thank
Okay.
you, sir.
No problem. All right. So I'm gonna press pause on this one. I will soon send off this one. So Diana, you can have it in
the group.
In the group, yeah. I'll soon send off that one. What I want to do now is, if you will permit me, I have to introduce this bad boy. Jesus. It is not difficult. No, let me just warn on something here now. I'm gonna move into another topic. It really isn't difficult. It's not a difficult topic, but it is a topic that if you're not mindful, all right, Lord, what should I do? What should I do? What should I do? What should I do?
So it's binomials?
No, no, not going to the binomials just yet.
Okay.
Not going to the binomials just yet. I need to. All right. So let me. All right. Let me. I'm gonna. I know what I'm gonna do with you now, and then I'm just gonna copy a few questions. So somebody was asking for some questions. I'm doing 11. I'm gonna copy about 11 questions for you. So you have questions upon questions to do for our next class, God's willing, on Thursday. All right, watch me now. All right, so we're on to and I want you to just pay attention, please, guys. If you can give me 15 consecutive minutes, I should be able to cover this within 15 minutes. The question is not going to take you 15 minutes, but because I'm explaining, it may go a little longer than the 15 minutes. Or it will take me that long. It's about a 3 minutes question to do in the exam. I want you to just follow my lead. Let me bigify this so you can see what is happening. I want you to follow my lead. I'm asked, the question says, evaluate 5 raised to the x power, and it's supposed to be equal to 10. 5 to the x power, and it's supposed to be equal to 10. Now, I want us to do some guesses.
Sir, are you sharing another screen, or are you still on the same?
I'm supposed to be sharing.
I'm not seeing it.
We're on the previous paper.
I know, because I never started sharing it.
Okay.
So thanks for paying attention. You all seen it now?
Yes, sir.
All right, good job. So let's go. So the question says, I'm giving you a new question, and I want your undivided, please, no TikTok, hello, and no side talk. Let's go. So the question says, evaluate 5 raised to the x power, and the answer is supposed to be equal to 10. 5 raised to the x power, and the answer is supposed to be equal to 10. Now, if I had said 2 raised to the x power equals 4, what's the value of x?
2.
2. Very good.
2, sir.
If I had said 2 raised to the x power equals 4, and I asked you the value of x, you know, say x is going to be 2, because 2 squares equals 4, don't?
Yes, sir.
That piece is easier to see than when I ask you 5 raised to the x power is equal to 10. We don't know what kind of, and guess what? It's in such a way where, let me write this example I just gave you. 2 to the x power equals 4. I am going to write my 4 as 2 squares. Now, since the bases are the same, what do I do with the powers?
Equate.
equate them. So x equals 2. So that's how we get the x equals 2. So when the bases are the same, we equate the powers. Now, can you write 10 as a base in 5? And the answer is no. So let us do some guess. Let us do some guess. Let us do some guess. Or guesses. I am guessing. So if I say to you, let x be 0. 5 raised to the 0 power is?
1.
It's 1. But it's not what I want. It's 10. So when no says x can be 0, let us try 5. I mean, let us try 1. 5 to the first power equals?
5.
5. We still not catch it yet, you know. So we'll try x to be 2. 5 squares equals?
25.
25.
We'll pass it down.
Mm-hmm.
So therefore, our answer for the unknown lies between this 1
and 2.
and this 2. Can everybody see that?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
All right. Miss Nelissa, welcome.
Hi, sir.
Sir, hold on there. I'm not gonna tell us some seat because I don't see it. Please to go back.
All right. 5 to the 0 equals?
1.
1.
5 to the 0 equals 1. 5 to the first power equals?
5.
5 to the second power equals?
25.
25. Uh-oh, we just pass it. Because 1 was 2 little bit because we want 10. We'll move to 1, still a little bit because we're gone to 5. But when we put 5 squares now, we'll pass it because 5 squares is equal to 25 and our answer is supposed to be 10.
10.
So because we passed this 10 by enough, we can safely say that our answer lies between 1 and
2.
2. You see that now?
Yes, sir.
All right. So to determine the actual, we need to do the following. So we need to take the logarithm of both sides. So remember, the law that says log to the base a of b to the n is equal to n log to the base a of b. Watch me. This x, I am going to carry down and say x log to the base 10 of 5. See it here? X log to the base 10 of 5. But I'm not seeing base 10. Am I in base 10, guys?
No, sir.
Am I in base 10?
Yes, sir. You're assuming that there
Sir,
Why?
cannot be studied there.
When there is
Very
a base provided, you assume that it's
assume
10.
that it's
Very
10.
good. So when there's no base, I'm assuming base 10. So even though I don't have it there, it is understood that it is in base 10. So what I'm saying to you is I'm using log to the base a of b to the n equals n log to the base a of b. If so many times I said that law in class tonight. If so how many times I said that law in class tonight? Only supposed to can dream it. So I'm going to move 5 to the x equals 10. I'm going to write it in from my index form to my logarithmic form. So what I'm doing, I'm converting from my index form to my logarithmic form.
When you finish with the battery?
No, put on the battery.
You put on the battery and come with the plan.
Tell.
Yeah, come.
Hey, girl.
Oh my goodness. Fell is something else. Let's go. So I'm converting 5 to the x equals 10 as x log 5 is equal to log 10. So I'm taking the log of both sides. So what was going to happen now? So you just from the question that we did a while ago, the question with the 9, log 9 over log 3, log 5 divided by log 5 cancels. So these two cancel. So I'm left with log 10 divided by log 5. Now, all of your calculators can only, well, most of you, without the good type calculator, because I know one or two have the good type calculator now, can only work your logarithms in base 10. The ones with a good type calculator can work log in any base. So your calculators, for the most part, are calibrated in log to the base 10. So hear me now. Put in your calculator for me, log 10 divided by log 5. Put in your calculator, log
So I
10
get
divided
1.43067.
See there? So your answer is approximately equals to 1.43 to 3 significant figures. Sir, the question never said to 3 significant figures. I know. It's just a mock question that I'm giving you. So when you go into the actual exam, the question will say to you, evaluate to the nearest whole number, to 2 decimal places, to 3 significant figures, whatever the instructions will be, and then you go ahead and do it. So the answer there is 1.43. Let us check to see if 1.43 is correct. Let us check to see if 1.43 is correct. I'm trying to minimize this so I can get to my question one more time. All right. I have my question there now. Work with me. I want you to put into your calculators 5 raised to 1.43. For those of you who don't know how to do that, you can press 5, then the upside down V, or X to the Y, or Y to the X, equal, and tell me what answer you get.
Sir, I got
9.989. So it would be
yeah.
10, actually.
Say it again. What you got? 5 point?
9.989.
Should be 10. One to the
Right. So it
nearest
would
one.
be 10.
Right. Tell me that's what you got to?
Yes, sir.
All right. And that's what we work our answer. Now, guess what? I only use 3 significant figures because that's what the question asks, or this is what I'm telling you. So if I want my answer to be even closer to 10, I can use 4 significant figures, or 5 significant figures, or 6 decimal places. So that's how we evaluate this stuff. Are we okay with that?
Sir, I didn't
Yes,
get the
sir.
calculator working out.
Sir.
Yes, please.
Yes, sir. I feel a little confused because I feel like I missed out something. Sir, you said 5 raised to the power of the same 1.43.
Yeah.
Oh, and is that how they got the 9?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. All right, sir.
Sir, I did the log 9 divided by log 3, and I get the 2. So does that mean that my calculator is able to work at the basis other than 10?
No, that was actually in that was actually in base 10. That one is actually in base 10. Sorry, Nalisa, you see I wrote it in pen, in red?
Yes, sir.
Right. Try it and tell me if you get it, please.
Sir, can you
Yes,
do
sir, I
the same
tried
for
it.
the log?
No, hold on, please. I'm coming, Diana. Say it again, Nalisa.
Yeah, yes, sir, I tried it. I got 9.98.
9.989.
Yeah, and some other numbers. Mm-hmm.
All right, cool.
So what
Diana,
about log 125 divided by log 5? Is that base 10 same way?
yeah. So once you say log 135, it's not a base. It is a log to the base 2 of 135. So once you don't call a base, it's base 10.
Okay.
How we feel with this one?
Sir, it's pretty simple, but sir, I needed to write the function for the log. I did not get it.
This function.
Just like how you write for the 5 raised to
times 1.4. I want to know the function for log. How to use it on the calculator. I've been meaning to ask.
What that calculator have?
Sorry, no. I'm using my phone right now, but it has the functions.
Yeah.
I can switch between a scientific calculator and a regular calculator from my phone.
Yeah. Like many other of these smartphones, but I'm
Right.
not going to respond to you because I'm going to tell you why. When you're going to the exam, you're not going to have your cell phone.
No, sir, I understand that, and I will get a calculator, but for now, I'm just asking. I need to know how to use the function.
That's what I'm saying to you. The calculator is going to give you, it's because the calculator can, not a calculator, your cell phone can go to several different decimal places. The answer your calculator will give you is going to be slightly different from the cell phone. The cell phone will be a little bit more accurate than because of the number of decimal places you can go to.
Well, I could have rounded off to what you have there based on the answer that I got. I got
Okay.
1.15 something.
1.15?
Yes.
Okay. 1.15 instead of 1.43?
Yes, it didn't go straight to that. That's why I'm asking you.
No, hold on. Hold on. So when you put this up, I got 1.43 for my answer. What was your answer when you used the calculator on the cell phone?
Let me do it again. That's why I'm asking you. How do you put in the function? I put log, which I'm seeing log on a bracket.
Yeah, just put the 10. When you press log, the bracket get automatically come up, right?
Right.
Just press 10 now and then close the bracket. Press 10 and then close the bracket.
10 and then
close the bracket.
And
then press divide. Press log again. The bracket's supposed to come up.
Right.
Press 5 and then close the bracket.
Right, so I get it now. This is what I wanted to know, how to use the function, the log. So I have to use, 10 and 5. All right, sir. Thank you. I'm seeing 1.43 now. So my calculator is functional.
Okay. How we stay? Talk to me now. How we stay?
Sir, yeah, we'll give us some practice questions tonight so we can just make some long bed.
You don't have to ask 2 times.
Jesus.
You have 11 of them now. Thanks for asking, Ryan.
If we'd ask a Christmas present, we want to get it so quick.
So guess what? I'm going to give you 10 minutes. It's now 8:40. I'm going to give you 10 minutes. And I'm going to randomly call upon students in the class. And I'm going to see those of you. Let me just take a note of those of you that are here. I have 41 of you here. And I'm taking a note of all of you that are here. And I'm going to see those of you who's going to leave class because you don't want to answer my question.
Sir, before we jump in at the questions, scroll back up real quick. Let me take a screenshot because I never get to see the workout. I may not get.
Sir.
Yes, Taryn.
Sir? Yeah.
Yes, Taryn.
Just want to tell you that I have to leave class, but I'll make sure so I get the answers to the questions. That's why I tell you that.
Sir, myself also, I don't want the alarm to go off in the building with me. So I have to go out before the security comes.
Is there go on? Because the last time the squall come, you nearly get washed with. So go on. All right,
I'll do the work, sir. I send it, sir.
Yeah, man. No problem.
Through email.
Sir, my dog just escaped out the road, sir.
Go on, but you just catch it and cook it. you just catch it and get it China man for cook it.
Wait, sir, where the question then now? This is all of the thing are go up a little bit, sir. I'm a screenshot that's already.
But sir, we're not going to do it in class now.
We need to leave me alone, of course.
Yes, sir, must see everything. All right. So I can try.
So when you're putting up this recording,
As soon as it comes, all the recordings are up, you know.
When the Lord come for the world, Him put you.
You know, you wicked. Anybody see the recording coming about 2 days ago?
No, sir.
Can anybody
I like,
indicate me?
and then, sir, and then.
Okay, thank you, Steve. I'm going to talk to Mr. Chin.
Sir, where, sir?
Nathaniel sleeping there? Why?
In there, CC, can you post the YouTube challenge link again in the chat?
Right away, sir. And I've asked 2 times.
oh, so every class you do, sir, it goes to the same YouTube that is in the group. Oh, all right. Christine Columbus.
Christine Mover?
All right, your 10 minutes starts now.
That's to be fair. So now what am I supposed to do?
Sir, so much people got no take.
We not pay them. This work on, you know. This work on long time.
We had 40, had 30 so.
This work on long time, man.
Mr. Shand.
Hello.
Can you scroll back up to the example that you had? Thank you very much.
Probably move.
Used to be.
Finish writing the example. Thank you.
Sorry, you can just open it one more time so I can take a picture of it. Thank you.
Sir, there's somebody in the chat who's saying that this is their first class, sir.
When I was scrolling through the list, I saw the name, and I say I'm not going to say anything because at this stage of the all right, it's now 5 minutes to the end of session. Oh boy. What's it?
Let me get.
Okay, Alicia, Peach, what's the answer for the first one?
This feel like it like a common name, you know. Anyways, first of all, let me declare this. I do not have a calculator with me currently. I'm at work, so I left it. But I never simplified. So what I got was, if I explain everything,
No, just give me the answer.
I'm not simplify it, you know. So don't bash me, please, I beg. Therefore, x equal log 4 over log 5. I'm not have this simplification for that yet. So I just me stuck this one.
Is she correct so far?
Of course.
For number 2. For number 1.
No, sir.
Oh, number 1. Sorry,
No,
sorry.
sir. No,
Wait,
sir.
is the wrong one I answer? What's the problem? My apologies. So it is x, therefore x log 6 over log 3.
Yes, sir.
You see that? That is the wrong one to answer.
No.
All right. I went to simplify that. What you should say.
1.63. 1.63.
Thank you. I appreciate the answers. I don't have a calculator.
Oh, said she never rang.
Somebody said no.
I just said 4 over something.
Yeah, because that was the second one, and then I catch up myself and said that is the wrong question to answer.
All right.
That's
Yeah,
what did I
you're
say
right.
wrong?
All right. Yeah, you're right. Congratulations. Kevin,
Thank
your
you.
turn. Kevin, your turn. What is number 2?
Sir, how you move on to number 2 so fast?
Because number 1 is right. 1.63.
Yeah, but hold on. Because you mentioned
0.86.
All right. Say it again, Kevin.
0.86. X equals 0.86.
Is he correct?
Yes,
Right.
sir.
Yeah. Somebody was saying something. Shannon, you're saying?
yes, sir. I'm saying because you mentioned the 6 before the 3, does it matter?
It's supposed to be log 6 divided by log 3.
Oh, after she work out everything. Okay, yeah, get her. All right.
All right, cool. Who is next?
Me, sir. All right then.
No, thank you. Aaron Jones. What's number 3?
Not sure, sir.
Sir, give one of the easy one.
What do you mean you're not sure, Aaron? I don't
Yeah.
understand it.
I'm saying for answer for him, sir.
No, sir. Aaron, what do you mean you're not sure? What you have in the book so far?
Didn't work it out.
Oh, you're not a part of this class?
Third pass to the next person.
No. Aaron, please unmute. I'm talking to you.
So you have to take a look at that way class up.
No, it's all right. Let me take it up. Aaron?
Yes, sir.
Okay, because I was about to tell you that if you didn't answer me, I would just block you from the class next class. Aaron, you cannot sit in my class. You don't participate, and I give classwork, and you're going to tell me, say, don't do the work, Aaron? This is unacceptable. Totally unacceptable.
I'm catching up through the recording, sir.
I don't want to hear that. You're supposed to participate in class. Ariane, what's the answer for number 3?
Sir, I got x equal 5 over 4.
X equals 5 over 4?
Yeah.
That's not correct.
No, sir. I don't look correct.
Jody Fisher. What is your answer?
For 3, 1.16.
Is she correct?
Right there, sir. Right there, sir. She can't correct.
Congratulations, Jody. Letitia, number 4.
Sir, want to all the good question, them run up before him reach.
Can you repeat the solution for number 3, please?
Number 3 is 1.16.
Okay.
Who was called upon a while ago?
Me say, but me say me not do it yet.
Listen, lady.
Yes, sir. Carrie? Yes, sir.
No. Cherise Morgan Stevenson.
Stop cover that class. Yeah, that's stop.
Sir.
Yes, my love. Answer for number 4.
I didn't do that one yet.
Okay. Sergio, number 4.
Sir, I'm gonna work out that 8, you know.
Okay. Has anybody done number 4?
Me get. Oh, go on now.
Yes, sir.
Where you
Sir,
get Carrie?
I did it.
Go ahead.
Okay.
Okay, no, sorry, Nalisa, sorry, you talk. Where you get?
Okay, so I did it. I don't know if it's correct though.
Where you get?
Okay, so it's 2. I got 2.330 for my final answer.
2.330. Okay, anybody got 2.330?
I got 2.77.
2.77.
2.77 is correct, Nalisa. So 2.77 is the answer here.
You can't tell me how to get that?
Yes, sir.
Never something in the room.
Because the first answer I get was 1.77, and then I break it down. Come, I think it did for
You're
break
not
down, and
supposed to
so I
break
get
down,
the
you're
2.
supposed to add 1 to both sides.
Add 1 to both, yeah.
Here, how you get that?
You tell you half I line.
Add 1 to both sides.
Brittany, you got the last one for tonight. What's number 5, Brittany? And then we'll continue this on Thursday. Brittany, what for number 5? Miss Smith, what is number 5?
Sir, I don't have the calculator.
Answer number 4 is 3.77.
Venice,
Sir,
yes, please.
you said to add 1 to the both sides. Why you add 1?
Because it is 2x. It's 2x plus 1. It's x minus 1. It's x minus 1. So you can have x minus 1 equals log 7 divided by log 3. Log 7 divided by log 3 is 1.771.
Yeah,
so you need to add 1 to both. So you can have
add 1 to both sides.
Right. You can have x minus 1 equals 1.771. So in order to get the value of x, you need to add 1 to both sides so you can cancel out that negative 1 on that left-hand side.
X.
No, so.
I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna do, sir, I just move the negative 1, turning it into positive over the.
And then add it to 1.771 to give it 2.77.
Sir, you can just work it on the board quick and fast.
Which one?
Number 4.
All right, that's the last one. I'm not pleased when I call Brittany. You see me call upon you again, no, Brittany, you don't answer me. All right. Because I'm sure if you call upon me in class to do something and I don't answer you, you run and say this teacher not helping you, and I call upon students and you're not answering me. It's not nice.
Sir, I didn't get number 3 right. So can you?
Who said that? Gillian?
Yes, sir.
All right, let me do number 4. I don't have a calculator either. Well, that's not true. It's right beside me.
Just now I say that, you know.
Is log 7 divided by log 3. So x minus 1 is going to be equal to 1.771. So
Sir, are you
therefore,
writing, sir?
I'm writing. You're not seeing it?
No, sir, nothing is happening.
Yeah, Mr. Print layout.
Are you seeing it?
Yeah, I see it now.
1.771 plus 1.
Sure.
X is equals to 2.771.
Sir, that me do.
Right. And then number 3, 2 to the 2x equals 5. 2x log 2 is equals to log 5. Divide both sides by log 2. 2x is equals to
log 5.
What is log 5 divided by log 2? 0.1, 4 point, what is it? Log 5 divided by log 2 equals what?
2.32.
2.32.
Yeah, 2.321.
And divide those, that you can get 1.16. It was nice having you tonight.
One chap, sir. I don't know anything.
We will meet again on Thursday, God's willing.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
No problem.
Sir, can I speak to you after everybody leave, please?
No, it's going to be on the recording. So send me a message.
Okay, no problem.
Okay.